Hi, I'm Dania Arancha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you, this is my cooking show because I sing, I dance, I teach Pilates, but also my other passion is cooking. So today I'm going to show you how to marinate red meat, beef. Well, you can just do it with whatever, but I'm going to marinate it Dania way. Are you ready? All you need right now is meat. You can choose sirloin steak or whatever steak you want. You can even have human steak if you choose to. That depends. I'm not a cannibal myself, but I'm not sure about you. Okay, the next thing is you will need chopped garlic, depending how much you love garlic, you know. I'm a vampire, you know, myself, so I don't like vampires because I'm a vampire myself. I'm queen of the damned. So mosquitoes, they love me, and I need a lot of garlic. You also need red onion. So the red onion, this is already chopped up, and you need also pepper, black pepper, some salt if you need extra seasoning there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this all inside, just like that. Don't worry about the mess. Sometimes messy is good. And you also need a little bit of, you know, some like cooking oil, and the cooking oil that I choose is some butter. Okay, if you're a cheap ass and you can't afford stuff and you are like going through COVID and stuff, you can buy Blue Band. It's really cheap. Or you can get like complete like cool butter. Anchor is actually quite expensive, you know, but if you want the best one, I guess, you know, Ellen Beer butter. So you have a choice there. I'm gonna put both because it's Dania style, okay? So I'm gonna squeeze it. So this is how much I put inside. Well, it's kind of frozen because I put it in the fridge. This way, you don't really need, oh, also coconut oil. Make sure it's pure coconut, so you can smell it and just kind of, you know, pull it. I mean, not pull it. You put it in there. Depending on how much meat you have, I kind of like to put a lot so that you don't need to actually put any extra stuff in there. Like when you fry it, you don't need to put more butter. It's already buttered. It's already like perfect. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to push in just a little bit in there. Yeah, just like that. Okay, you see? So now it looks like this. And now you just kind of mix it together, right? So with these 800, 700, 500, I think this is about 700 grams. Is about that much stuff. So it all depends on you. Remember, you can make it your own style. And then the next thing I do is I put the tomato. Okay. You need tomato. If you want to have fresh tomato, you can, but I'm kind of lazy, so I don't want to put too much because, you know, it's too sweet, not good. Some people, they like to put too much of everything, and I don't like. Mix it again. Okay, and then we have chili. I just use this one, ABC from Indonesia. If you want like real chili, you can, but this is secret ingredient, so I'm not actually sure if I really want you to put this on the internet. This is my secret fucking recipe, so fuck her. Anyway, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter because my magic hand is Perfecto. The next thing is I put a little bit, just a little bit of Kikkoman sauce manis khas Jawa sweet sauce. And you don't want to put too much of that shit either. And then teriyaki sauce in here. Just a little bit also, not too much. The teriyaki is not gonna kill you. And then another sweet sauce, but not too much, just like a tinge. And then I will put also, I use ketchup asin. Ketchup asin, it means like a salty soy sauce. So just like this, boom, 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 boom. I don't use measuring cup, so. And you know, that's why it's secret, because my hand is like, you have to use strength. That's why I do Pilates and stuff, so, you know, I'm a mother and stuff, but, you know, you have to use strength. Strength in the bum, everywhere, so you can like open this, you know, sheet like this. You don't need a man for that. Anyway. But you do need a man to cook the fucking garlic. Okay. And then some crushed black pepper. So I just kind of like just do that. If you want to add extra, you can. And then I just mix it and mix it and mix it. And this is the annoying part, you know. I just love mixing. And it kind of looks like shit, but it tastes fucking good. Okay, so next step after that is I just pretty much put the fucking steak inside. The butter is like not melting. I don't know what the fuck is it. So you just kind of like, don't worry, the butter will melt though. It will melt in time. So make sure you get it out of the fridge before you put it in there. Make sure you have a good twist of that. So, boom, 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 just like that. Usually I just put it like one by one, and I mix it together. It's better if you have not a fucking like small spoon like this, if you have like a fork and a spoon, and you mix it together like this. So this is what it's gonna look like. So there you go, it's Dania secret recipe. Actually, not sure why somebody wants to show this outside of what I do, but I think he must have copied my fucking recipe. But it doesn't matter. Thou shalt not covet, right?
You're right.
Okay, and you can do the rest. I'm tired.
I will do the rest. Thank you, Dania.